Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this very short video, I'm going to be talking about my post-op experience since getting my tubes removed. So I got my fallopian tubes removed. It's now been I'm 5 months post-op. Yeah, 5 months post-op. And let me tell you ladies, I feel amazing. Nothing has changed. You know, that was one of my biggest fears, was getting my tubes removed and then having some weird side effects or weight gain or just not feeling like myself or my sex drive being, declined. So that was a fear. But let me tell you guys, I'm 5 months post-op and I feel great. I haven't experienced any negative side effects. I haven't experienced anything weird since having my fallopian tubes removed. If anything, I feel a lot more happier. I feel like myself. I was on the copper IUD before I got my fallopian tubes removed, so I experienced a lot of heavy period cramping and heavy blood flow during my period. And because I don't do too well with extra artificial hormones in my body, I decided to get the copper IUD. And so I was willing to suffer, for a week, just so that I wouldn't have that additional hormones in my body. But yeah, since having my IUD removed and having my fallopian tubes removed, I feel amazing. The only change that I will say I have experienced is that my periods have actually, blood flow has minimized. Like, I do get some slight cramping, but it's tolerable. It's nothing like when I was on the IUD. And my blood flow is not as crazy as it used to be when I was in the IUD. And my period's only lasting between 3 to 4 days, and it's just amazing. It's a game changer, to actually feel like myself. I don't have any artificial hormones in my body anymore. So it's a blessing, it's truly a blessing. I haven't experienced any weight gain. I haven't experienced any, my sex drive is the same. If anything, it probably has increased, just because I know that I'm no longer on birth control and I no longer need it, or that worry that I'm going to get pregnant is gone. So I just feel like amazing. My incisions look great. I'll probably do another video to show my incisions on how they're looking. My incisions are very, very small, probably the size of my fingernail. However, the incisions are a little bit darker than what I expected. I assumed, they were going to get, fade away like a scar. But they're a little dark. And I'll do another video to show you guys what I'm talking about. But other than that, like I said, I feel great. My incisions have completely healed. I feel no pain, no tenderness in the incision area. Everything looks great. I did have a post-op appointment, another one, and everything looks great. I do have endometriosis, if that's how you say it. So the cramping is always going to be there. But she did tell me that if the cramping gets too much, what she normally does with a lot of women is that she'll put them back on birth control to help kind of minimize the cramping and the heavy blood flow. And so I was like, well, the point of me getting my tubes removed, obviously because I didn't want to get pregnant anymore, but was because I didn't want to be on any form of birth control. And so like I said, as of right now, I feel amazing. My periods feel great. Like I said, there is some slight cramping. My period flow has decreased and it's tolerable, so it's just like, it's not worth it for me, at least for right now. Who knows what it's going to be like in a few years as I get older. But as of right now, I feel amazing, you guys. The best decision I have ever made. Do I have regrets getting my surgery done? Hell no. I have no regrets whatsoever. I mean, I do get baby fever from time to time, But it's baby fever. Everybody gets baby fever, right? You know, you see a newborn and you want to hold the baby and you want to have one. But honestly, it's the best decision I've ever made. I feel amazing. I feel great. I have 3 lovely, beautiful daughters, and I couldn't ask for anything more. My husband is also on the same boat as me. You know, we're both for sure know that we are done. And if by any chance we ever do decide, hey, let's have another child, I mean, I'm still capable of getting pregnant, right? I just can't get pregnant the traditional way anymore because my tubes are gone. But I can still get inseminated. I have the option to adopt. I have the option to, you know, be a foster mom if I need to. So, I mean, if it comes down to that in the future, then we have those options. But, you know, we're going to be 34 years old. We've known for quite some time that we don't want any more children. And we're both happy with the decision of me not having any more children. But yeah, like I said, I haven't experienced anything negative, of course. It's different for everybody. You know, there's other women that experience hormonal changes or, you know, weight gain or experience a lower sex drive. That has not been the case for me. I feel amazing, you guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And like I said, it's only been 5 months since I had the surgery done. But yeah, I'll probably do another video to show you guys my incisions, and kind of talk about what I mean about the darkness. I mean, it's no big deal, right? To me, it's not a big deal, but it is a little, the incisions, they're very small. It's just like dark, a little darker than what I thought I was going to end up with, but it's okay. But yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a blessed day.